In this video, we'll walk you through how to reset your LIQUORexam.com password. If you've forgotten it or just want to update it, this quick guide will help you get back into your account so you can continue your training. Start at LIQUORexam.com and click the blue login button in the top right. If you forgot your password, we'll walk you through the reset flow next. If you're already logged in and just want to change your password, you can do that anytime from your profile settings, which we will cover in this video as well. On the sign-in page, scroll to the bottom and click Forgot Your Password just below the blue Login button. On the Forgot Your Password page, enter the email on your LIQUORexam account. If you'd like the link by text as well, check the box. Your reset password link will go to the phone number on file. Then click Reset. Press the button only once and allow up to 30 minutes for the reset email or text to arrive. That's it. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder for the reset message if you don't find it in your inbox. If you submit multiple requests, only the most recent email or text will work. Next, let's see how to change your password from your profile when you're already signed in. First, sign in at LIQUORexam.com. Enter your email and password, complete the I'm not a robot check, and click Login. Once you're in, we'll change your password from your profile. After you sign in, you'll land on the My Courses tab. To change your password, open your profile. Either click your name in the top right and choose Profile, or click the Profile tab in the menu. On your profile page, choose Edit Profile to make changes to your account details, including updating your password. On the Edit Profile page, scroll down to the Password section. Enter your new password, re-enter it in Password Confirmation, then click the blue Update button. That's it, your password has been changed from your profile. You just learned how to reset your password and how to change it from your profile on LIQUORexam.com. Thanks for trusting LIQUORexam.com with your hospitality compliance training. We're here to help you stay confident, secure, and compliant whenever you need us. From all of us at LIQUORexam.com, best of luck, and we'll see you in your training.